Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to find valuable watchlist stocks on Robinhood. A watchlist is one of the best tools for researching investments before putting your money into the market. Instead of buying a stock immediately, you can add it to your watchlist and monitor its price, performance, earnings, news, analyst ratings, and market activity over time. This helps you compare different companies and make more informed investment decisions. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign into your account. Go to the Lists section. Tap Create Watchlist. Enter a name for your watchlist and save it. Now tap the search icon and search for a stock, ETF, cryptocurrency, or futures contract you want to research. Open the Assets Details page. Tap the plus icon. Choose your existing watchlist or create a new one to add the asset. Repeat these steps for every investment you want to compare. Once you've added several investments, open your watchlist. Tap on each company to review important information. Check the historical price chart and switch between different time periods to understand how the investment has performed. Review the company's earnings reports, recent news, analyst ratings, market capitalization, trading volume, and business description. If the company pays dividends, review its dividend history, dividend yield, and upcoming dividend dates. Compare multiple companies in the same industry instead of looking at only one stock. You can also compare ETFs by reviewing their holdings, expense ratio, performance history, and investment objective. Keep an eye on daily price movements, but don't base your decision only on short-term gains or losses. If an investment no longer interests you, open its details page. Tap the checkmark icon in the top corner. Uncheck the watchlist you want to remove it from, then tap Save. To organize your watchlist, return to the list, press and hold any asset, then drag it to a new position. Place your highest priority investments at the top so they're easier to monitor. Review your watchlist regularly and update it as market conditions, earnings reports, and company news change. Remember, a watchlist is designed to help you research investments, not to tell you what to buy. Always do your own research, understand the risks, and make investment decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.